Today we're going to be removing a nail out of a tire. I have a really slow leak to where I got to pump it up about once every 2 weeks, but I rotated my tires and found it, so I was like, might as well make a video of it. I'll show it all to you, but first you want to get whatever takes it out. And sometimes it's been convenient enough to where it just takes a Phillips screw, and sometimes it takes a hammer. This one's in there a bit deeper. Normally I have to use these, or like I said, a hammer or a screwdriver, but whatever it takes, just pull it out. I did leave the air in it, so when I pull this out, the air will escape, or it'll break off like that. So I'm gonna have to be really careful. There, it broke off. It just kept breaking. So you're gonna wanna get the tool kit that your kit comes with. That's to put in these, get half lengths, or cut them in half. This is all the longer you need. Some companies have them twice as long. This is for this purpose. This cleans it all out, but this just broke off. Normally you can pull it out, but this one you can't. There, I got it out. Got it. I ain't focusing very well. Got it all out. I can see straight in there. You're going to want to shove this clear in, and this makes the hole exact size you need. If it's bigger than this, most likely you need a patch. I don't know about a patch, but I'm going to slowly just twist this in there. I think I found another nail while I was busy doing this one. So yeah, you're going to want to squeeze that all in. I hope this is the one that had the hole. I don't think it was. Anyways, I'm going to put that clear through. It's hard to do with the tripod. Okay, this video is going to be like pieced together because that one seems to not be leaking, but I'm going to make a hole in it and pull it out anyway, or plug it anyways, just because I'm high mileage. Where am I zoomed up so far? There you go. I got that one started. Again, this is the easiest to use. You just keep pulling that. I heard the air come out a little bit, so I know I'm onto something here. You can use vice grips if you need. I'm getting it. What a nail. And a really good tire. There we go. You hear it leaking out. That means you've got the right one. And as I demonstrated, you may not got the only one. So now you want to stick that in there and it'll clean that hole out. Just kind of twist it around. Pull it back out. Leaking in a little bit better. Now you want to get one of these. See my house there for a second. These things are super gooey. Take one of these off. I don't know if you guys can see this very well. You're going to stick it through there. Through that little hole. Pull it through about halfway. That's all the longer you need, unless maybe you're doing a semi or something, but I wouldn't trust one of these in a semi. You just want to shove it down in there. Don't twist it or anything. Just shove it straight down in there. And when you pull up, don't push it all the way down there either. You need this hanging out just a little bit, and you'll snip it off with side cutters. Do not push it all the way down in there. Again. And then as you pull up slowly, it should release it and keep it in the tire. I'm going to put down the camera. It takes a little bit of effort to do this. This kit I got from Walmart. About anybody can get it. Yeah. There, I'd say that's probably in far enough right there. Now I'm just gonna pull up and it should stay in there. There we go, it looks nasty, but it is in there. I'm gonna fix that other one, then I'll show you guys what to do next, because I don't want no blowout down here. Okay, on to the next step. Got both of them plugged. That one was right on the wire, so I've never had to do that before. You're gonna get one of the side cutters. When you cut it, should be about that flush. I recommend airing it up before you do this, just in case it's leaking. You can move it around a little bit. These things just cut right off. And don't worry about the rest, it's rubbery. And it will pick up a little bit of dirt at first, but road and all that'll push it down. It'll grind it down for you. There you go. Just got to air it back up, spray it with soapy water, and see if it has any leaks. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I helped somebody.